EDSA, 73,752,000. Talipapa High School, 822,131 pesos. MB Asistro Senior High School, Unit 1, 991,566. Pangarap High School, 1 million. Bagumbong High School, 1.8 million. Kaibiga High School, 1.5 million. Baesa High School, 1.2 million. Bagong Silang High School, 3.6 million. Caloocan High School, 0.3 million. Camarin High School Main, 4.2 million. Deparo High School Main, 1.3 million. Kalayaan National High School, 3.2 million. Amparo High School, 2 million. MB Asisto Senior High School, 2 million. Manuel L. Quezon High School, 1.9 million. Tala High School, 3.4 million. Bagong Barrio National High School, 1.7 million. So, yan po ang divisyon ng Caloocan. Ngayon naman po ay tutungo tayo sa SDO Malabon. Kaway-kaway mga ka-teachers sa SDO Malabon. Naku, happy-happy siguro talaga sila, no? Okay, so, we have Tanyong National High School, 656,693 pesos. Panghulo National High School, 1.2 million. Malabon National High School, 2.7 million. Tugatog National High School, 1.2 million. Tinajeros National High School, 2.2 million. Potrero National High School, 1.2 million. Po, sa division ng Manila, let me read to you the schools and their NCAs or Notice of Cash Allocation. M. Araulio High School, 3.5 million. Mariano Marcos Memorial High School, 2.3 million. Esteban Abada High School, 1.2 million. President Sergio Osmeña Senior High School, we have 1.7 million. LG Calderon Integrated School, we have 1.9 million. Lacandula High School, 2.6 million. Ras Suleiman Science and Technology High School, 2.6 million. Ramon C. Avencena High School, 1.2 million. Valeriano Fugoso Memorial High School, 839,013 pesos. Claro M. Recto High School, 1.4 million. Doña Teodoro Alonso High School, 1.6 million. Elpidio Quirino High School, 1.8 million. General Emilio Aguinaldo Integrated School, 804,225 pesos. Jose P. Laurel High School, 1.8 million. Cayetano Arellano High School, we have 2.5 million. Eloyo Rodriguez Vocational High School, Iris Vocational High School, 2 million. Antonio Maceda Integrated School, 1.5 million. Antonio Villegas Vocational High School, 1.1 million. Carlos P. Garcia High School, 1.4 million. Gregorio Perfecto High School, 1.7 million. I. Villamor High School, 1.8 million. Manila Science High School, 1.5 million. Victoriano Mapa High School, 2.2 million. Manuel L. Quezon High School, 2.1 million. T. Paez Integrated School, 2.2 million. And the Division of Manila with 88,548,991 pesos. Oh, nako. Baka po magtampo ang mga taga-Tondo High School. Kasama po pala kayo sa Division ng Manila. We have 2.5 million. Sino pa ba? We have Florentino Torres High School. Torres High School, 3.5 million. Dr. Juan Olasco High School, 2 million. Jose Abad Santos High School, 3.1 million. Manila High School, we have 1.4 million. Manuel A. Rojas High School, we have 2.9 million. Ramon Magsaysay High School, 3.5 million. Hanap po ng tatay ko yan. So, yan po ang division ng Manila. Naku, kaway-kaway na mga division ng Manila. And now, tutungo naman tayo sa Division of Mandaluyong with 18,748,240 pesos. Nandiyan po ang ating mga schools in elementary. Next, for the high schools, we have Bonifacio Javier National High School, 802,000. Eloyo Rodriguez Integrated School, 1.2 million. Jose Fabella Memorial High School, 1.2 million. Mandaluyong High School, 1.4 million. Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, 1.2 million. Highway Hills Integrated School, 1.3 million. Isaac Lopez Integrated School, 817,651 pesos. Kaway-kaway na mga teachers sa Mandaluyong. And then, didiretso na po tayo sa Division of Pasay City. SDO, Pasay City. Pasay City High School, 2.4 million. Pasay City West High School, 2.9 million. Kalayaan National High School, 1.8 million. Pasay City East High School, 2.3 million. Pasay City North High School, 1.2 million. Pasay City National Science High School, 755,117 pesos. Philippine National School for the Blind. Philippine School for the Blind, we have 430,055 pesos. And for the Division of Pasig City, we have 17,851,603 pesos. And also for the Philippine School for the Deaf, we have 644,243 pesos. At heto na nga po, mga ka-teachers, ang pinakakahintay, ang SDO Marikina, ang aking pinakamamahal na division. We have for Marikina City, Balangka National High School, 567,422 pesos. Marikina High School, 2.8 million. Tanyong High School, Marikina High School, Tanyong Annex, 946,879 pesos. Division of Marikina City, kaway-kaway, mga elementary school teachers, 23 million. For Fortune High School, 1.4 million. Malinday National High School, 1.2 million. Santa Elena High School, 2.5 million. Parang High School, 2.2 million. And dumiretso na rin po tayo sa Karatig Division ng Marikina, kung saan po ako nakatira. Ang SDO Pasig, kaway-kaway mga ka-teachers! Eusebio High School, Rizal High School, Rosario, 2.3 million. Rizal High School, Maine, 6.1 million. Sagad High School, Rizal High School, Sagad, 1.3 million. San Joaquin, Calawaan High School, 2.5 million. Capitolio High School, Rizal High School, Capitolio, 1.3 million. Manggahan High School, Rizal, 2.5 million. Pinagbuhatan High School, 2.2 million. Aser Chapter, Pinagbuhatan. Rizal Experimental Station and Pilot School of Cottage Industries or REPC, 1.8 million. Santolan High School, Rizal High School Santolan, 1.5 million. Santa Lucia High School, 2.7 million. And Division of Pasig City Elementary Schools, kaway-kaway, we have 36 million. Po sa Nabotas, SDO Nabotas, kaway-kaway po mga ka-teachers sa SDO Nabotas. We have Kanluran High School, 2.5 million. Tansa National High School, 720,165 pesos. San Rafael Technological and Vocational High School, 917,885 pesos. Navotas National High School, 2 million. Tangos National High School, 1 million. San Roque National High School, 1.6 million. And the Division of Navotas City Elementary Schools, we have 13 million. And then, we will proceed. Diretso na po tayo sa division ng Quezon City. Medyo mababa po ang Quezon City. We have Santa Lucia High School, 1.8 million. Carlos P. Garcia High School, 515,000. Justice Cecilia Muñoz Palma High School, 3.5 million. Cruz de Ligas High School, 1.1 million. Commonwealth High School, 4.2 million. Yuloyo Rodriguez Jr., Senior, 1.6 million. Masambong High School, 678,000. San Bartolome High School, 3.9 million. New Era High School, 2.1 million. North Fairview High School, 2.9 million. Pugad Lawin High School, 650,000. Quezon City Science High School, 1.2 million. San Jose High School, 448,000. Jose P. Laurel Senior High School, we have 886,000. And for the Division of Quezon City, we have, wow, this is so big, 103,174,389,000. Dito po napapaloob ang ating mga elementary schools. And we have some more. Balingasa High School, 657,000. Culiat High School, 1.9 million. Doña Rosario High School, 1.7 million. Ismael Matay Senior High School, Gisayas Village High School, 2.1 million. Judge Feliciano Belmonte Senior, 2.8 million. Judge Juan Luna High School, 1.1 million. Novaliches High School, Maine, 3.2 million. Quirino High School, 2.1. Tandang Sora National High School, 1.4. Bagong Silang National High School, 2.3 million. Ponciano Bernardo High School, 586,000. Ramon Magsaysay Cubao High School, 2.7 million. Doña Josefa Jara Martinez Vocational High School, 964,000. Ernesto Rondon High School, 1.9 million. Lagro High School, 3.9 million. Maligaya High School, 1.6 million. San Francisco High School, 3.6 million. Balara High School, 1.3 million. Camp Crame High School, 409,000. Carlos L. Albert High School, 2 million. Corazon C. Aquino National High School, 7.8 million. Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo High School, 1.2 million. Don Alejandro Roses Senior Science and Technology High School, 1.1 million. Don Quintin Paredes High School, 281,000. Manuel Rojas High School, 1 million. And NOH School for the Crippled Children, we have 595,000. At syempre, wag po rin natin kalimutan ang Muntinlupa, SDO Muntinlupa. We have Muntinlupa Business High School, Pedro E. Diaz High School, Bully Annex, we have 1.6 million. Muntinlupa National High School, 4.1 million. Pedro E. Diaz High School, 2.6 million. And Division of Muntinlupa, SDO Muntinlupa, where we have all the elementary schools, we have 24,953,655 pesos. At dyan po, nagwawakas ang ating PBB 2021 updates for National Capital Region Notice of Cash Allocation PBB 2021. So, wag niyo pong kakalimutan to watch, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sheila Limanuel, for teachers' benefits and welfare. Yan po ay sa mga updates natin. Okay, so mga ka-teacher, magandang gabi po at magandang buhay!